Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Darkwood Bushcraft. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to split one of these with one of these, a Swiss Army knife, so stick around. Okay, before we begin we are going to need a couple of other bits and bobs for this process, but these are all things that with a bit of patience you can make with the knife themselves. So first of all we're going to have a couple of gluts. Now these are essentially wooden wedges. These ones are made of holly and these are used in the splitting process. These are very important. The other thing we're going to have is a batten, which we are going to use obviously to bash everything through this log. Now the Swiss Army knife we have here today, this model is the Walker. This is a very straightforward model. It has a small blade. It has a bottle stroke can opener, and most importantly of all, and the piece that we're going to use mostly for this product today, it has a saw. Now, it doesn't matter what model of Swiss Army knife that you use, the important thing is that it has a saw. The saws on the Swiss Army knives are very, very good for the size that they are. They're very, very efficient saws. So without further ado, let's show you the process. Okay, we're going to start the process by using our saw to cut towards the centre of the piece of wood. As you can see, the piece of wood itself is actually much wider than the saw, so we can't cut all the way across in one go. But what we can do is we can cut in towards the centre and start to score our way across so that we know where our cut is going. Now you don't need to go in too deep, you only need to go about 10 millimeters or so. It's not the quickest process in the world, but when you're a little bit stuck, this is the way to do it. So we've made our cut in the top of the wood with our Swiss Army knife. The next stage is to take our gluts, insert them into the edges of the cut and start to hammer down. So that's our first one. And there we go. That's how you split a log with a Swiss Army knife. Happy trails.